Welcome to this comprehensive guide on computer terminology. Understanding the language of technology is no longer optional in our digital world. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who uses technology daily, knowing the right terms helps you communicate effectively, make informed decisions, and solve problems more efficiently. Today, we'll explore what computer terminology really means and why mastering these concepts can transform how you interact with technology. Computer terminology is the specialized vocabulary and technical language used to describe everything in the computing world. It encompasses the words and phrases that explain hardware components like processors and memory, software programs and applications, networking protocols and connections, and security measures that protect our data. Think of it as learning a new language, one that allows you to understand and navigate the digital landscape with confidence. These terms form the foundation of how we discuss, troubleshoot, and work with technology in both personal and professional settings. Mastering computer terminology brings 4 critical advantages to your digital life. First, it enables effective communication. When you know the right terms, you can explain technical issues clearly to IT support or discuss technology requirements with colleagues using the same professional language. Second, it accelerates career advancement. In virtually every modern workplace, technology literacy is essential, and understanding terminology demonstrates competence and professionalism. Third, it empowers better decision-making. Whether you're purchasing a new device, choosing software, or evaluating technical solutions, knowing what terms mean helps you make informed choices that meet your actual needs. Finally, it enhances your problem-solving abilities. When you understand the vocabulary, you can troubleshoot issues more effectively, follow technical guides accurately, and find solutions faster. Computer terminology can be organized into 4 main categories. Hardware terms describe the physical components you can touch, like the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, Random Access Memory, or RAM, and storage devices. Software terminology covers programs, applications, and operating systems that run on your computer. Networking terms explain how computers connect and communicate, including internet protocols, routers, bandwidth, and connectivity standards. Security terminology encompasses the critical concepts of encryption, firewalls, malware protection, and data security measures. Understanding these 4 categories provides a structured framework for organizing and learning technical vocabulary effectively. Let's clear up some common misconceptions that often confuse beginners. First, many believe that adding more RAM always makes a computer faster. The reality is that RAM only helps if your current amount is insufficient for your tasks. Beyond that point, adding more provides no speed benefit. Second, people often think Wi-Fi and the internet are the same thing. Wi-Fi is simply the wireless connection method, while the internet is the vast global network of connected computers. Third, there's a myth that deleting files frees up RAM or memory. In truth, deleting files frees up storage space on your hard drive, not the temporary working memory. Finally, many assume Mac computers cannot get viruses. While they historically had fewer threats, all operating systems can be vulnerable to malware and require proper security measures. Learning computer terminology effectively requires the right approach and resources. Online courses provide structured learning paths with hands-on practice that builds knowledge progressively. Tech glossaries and reference guides serve as valuable tools for quick lookups when you encounter unfamiliar terms. Joining tech communities through forums and discussion groups exposes you to terminology in real-world contexts and allows you to ask questions freely. Most importantly, hands-on practice solidifies your understanding. Actually using technology, building projects, and applying what you learn transforms abstract definitions into concrete knowledge you can confidently use. Here are 4 practical strategies to accelerate your mastery of computer terminology. First, focus on context learning. Instead of memorizing isolated definitions, learn terms as they appear in real situations and practical applications. This makes them more memorable and meaningful. Second, create a personal glossary. Document new terms as you encounter them, writing definitions in your own words to reinforce understanding. Third, make it a habit to use technical terms daily in your conversations and writing. Regular practice builds familiarity and confidence. Finally, never hesitate to ask questions when you encounter unfamiliar terminology. Clarifying terms immediately prevents confusion from compounding and demonstrates intellectual curiosity rather than weakness. Mastering computer terminology truly opens doors in the digital age. It transforms you from a passive technology user into an informed, confident participant in the digital world. Remember, every expert started as a beginner. Start with the basics, build your knowledge gradually, and soon you'll navigate technical discussions and digital environments with expertise and confidence. The investment you make in learning this vocabulary pays dividends throughout your personal and professional life. Thank you for watching, and welcome to your journey toward technology fluency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.